Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a frustrating issue faced by Windows 10 users: desktop icons that keep rearranging. But don't worry, we have two simple solutions that will help you fix this problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. 1. Right-click on a blank space on your desktop. 2. Select View and then uncheck the Auto Arrange Icons option. 3. Restart your device and see if this resolves the issue. Solution 2. 1. Type Settings in the Start menu search bar and select the best match. 2. From the options, select Personalization. 3. On the left-hand side, click on Themes. 4. On the right-hand side pane, locate the Related Settings option and click on Desktop Icon Settings. 5. Uncheck the Allow Themes to Change Desktop Icons box. 6. Press Apply and then OK to save the changes. And there you have it. Two simple solutions to fix the issue of Windows 10 constantly rearranging desktop icons. Give these steps a try and see if they resolve the problem for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.